Oh, fuck you.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, fellas. Today your boy's going fishing with Levon kayaking. Coming up soon on the channel, I'll be reviewing the Donald Trump and Joe Biden fishing lures. But I'm going over to Levon's. We're gonna catch some fish, probably catch some bass, and I'm gonna fish for bass again. Hopefully I catch some, but if not, I might actually change my mind, switch it up, fish for crappie and sunny, because quite frankly, fishing the lake it's absolutely horrible. Horrible for bass fishing. It's too weedy, so I might try that little pan fishing today, yo. Woo! So first of all, we gotta get ready for the lake. Make sure nobody's gonna f around with us out there. Here, I gotta try and line it up. You can find me out here in Minnesota, come and get me! Wow, the shells literally flew everywhere. Wow. Yeah, you can find me here in Minnesota. Come here and visit Levon and we'll see what happens to ya. This one's for, you know, just the traditional f you on the lake here. You know, I whipped this out from under the seat. Nice, portable, beautiful little gun here. I'm at Firearm. Have to beep out that word. Wow. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen to you. Come and visit. That's the lead head. This got rubber or plastic in it, so it'll stop instead of going through a lot of people.
Back to cock it.
Right.
Push down, squeeze the trigger.
Alright. This is the Hellcat 9mm coming at you today. You know, if you mess around with us in the semi, we got a gift for you. Holy dick, my ears are ringing.
Stop it. Get some help.
Sheesh! That is the Hellcat right there, baby. So now this is laying right in the driver's door right there. The Hellcat. Gonna lay it right in the driver's door here. I gotta show you a zoom. Hell yeah, now aiming at the door.
Safety off.
Yup. Look how big that is compared to my thumb. Just clean holes right there. Wow, right through the door.
Down here, look at all these holes.
Nice. All the way through. Back to the other door. Whoa! Fish on, baby. Ooh, right in his eyes, actually. That sucks. Oh, no, he's gone. Oh, he just left. That kind of sucks. Morgan. He left. Well, at least he's on video. So Levon did not decide to go fishing with me. So I end up going fishing on the kayaks a month after that intro of the video. And I'm gonna try and catch a fish again. Because unfortunately, that was only in the video a little bit. I'm hoping to get some bass. That was a pike, not what I'm going for. Obviously bass fishing on the big boy square bill crankbait. But let's hope I catch another one. Oh, snap, I just got right in the weeds. She got a fish when I was fixing the line because it's all tangled up. There's your fish. She hasn't been fishing since she was 10. That's messed up.
Oh, fuck you. That hurt.
Oh, yeah, look at his spikes.
Fuck you.
Release your fish.
Why?
Is he floating or did he actually live?
He's floating.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, he's
We killed him.
I did not.
Unfortunate. Morgan killed the fish. Got him! Got him! First fish she caught in a long time. There you go. And we're stuck. Right now we're stuck on these corals or whatever they are. I don't know what it is, like branches and stuff. Morgan got a fish. Here, I'll help you get it off. Poor little guy. I say that and then I start videoing him. Nice. That's a fish. This is how you catch fish. I cast it out there in the weeds, stuck in the weeds with the yaks. Oh, got him.
What the f? You're getting fish after fish.
Woo! That's how it's done right there. That's how it's done, fellas. Oop. Stop it. There. That's how it's done right there. Shout out to Levon for letting me use his kayaks, but nothing but a good day of fishing here. I'm catching lots of sunnies. I'm not catching what I'm going for, unfortunately. But you ought to check out my setup on my four-wheeler. Look at this, dude. You guys wouldn't believe it. Levon let me use his trailer, his kayaks. So I went out. That's an actual 650, believe it or not. That's a big four-wheeler. It's just smaller in size looking, but it pulls so nicely. Pulled 2 kayaks all the way out here. What a beautiful setup and a perfect day. The water's still, just having fun out here. Kayaking, catching them little fish. But chopping snails. Ouch, oh, kidding. Start running around like an idiot monkey. I've never went sight fishing in my life, but I'm gonna give it a try. There's no way this is gonna work. There's no way. Bro, if I can sight fish, they're too small. They're super small.